Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing for the dollar bead box for the month of October. I know this is a couple days late, but I just got it in the mail. So let's see what we have here. So it says bead box, dollar bead box. The weather is changing and it's time for our favorite fall colors: harvest orange, autumn red, golden brown, hunter green, and copper bronze. Match them with pumpkins, leaves, black cats, and more to celebrate the season. You'll be ready with all your fall, Halloween, and Thanksgiving designs. And then it says where you can keep up with the latest, and contact us at support$beadbox.com. And this is the list of all the goodies that we have. So let's start out. I do get the extra 8 fire polish strands for $8, and then you can order these for up to a month for $1 each, and this is a great deal. Okay, these are the 4 strands, and these are the 3 strands. I'm not sure which one's which. Okay, so let's see. And these are the we're looking at. So the first 3mm strand is matte brown luster. So I would think it's this. It's very pretty. Lots of texture in the beads. Very pretty. Make sure my camera is on. Okay. Next one is transparent brown. Okay, and that's this one. So we have this right here. Very pretty. Love these fire polish beads. The next is crystal gold lined, and that is this. This is absolutely gorgeous. You can see the little lines of gold inside of there. Absolutely beautiful. The next one is green gold line Maria. This is so pretty. You can see all the sparkle in here. I love using these in my bracelets. So we have those 4. Then the next one is vitriol vintage metallic or topaz crystal copper. Topaz, I think it's that one. Beige luster, that's crystal gold line, and then okay, so this one is vitriol vintage metallic or topaz crystal copper. Could be the topaz crystal copper, I think, maybe. It's very pretty. See all that sparkle in there when you turn those? Got all that. Gorgeous. The next is topaz crystal beige luster or vintage brown luster. So I'm thinking this is the beige luster. Look at how pretty this is. Absolutely gorgeous. The next one is citrine vitriol. So pretty. Look at those colors in there, the way they sparkle. This next one is crystal gold line. So we have it in 3mm and 4mm. So we have both of these. So we have a 3 and a 4mm. Absolutely beautiful. And what's great is you can order these for up to a month for only $1. So let's get out the rest of the pieces. Okay, so here we start out with the 5mm Czech fire polish and crystal copper luster, 25 pieces. This is so pretty. Look at that sparkle in there. I think they have the prettiest fire polish beads. We have that one. This is so pretty. 5 by 15mm Czech glass, large holes, Celtic block, dusty rose with copper wash, 8 pieces. Look how pretty that is. I don't know if the camera picks up all of the Look at how pretty that is. Next is Lucerna, 6x6 millimeter Lucerna bicone beads, transparent brown or light brown tortoise, 25 pieces. So I think this is, I don't know, maybe the transparent brown. Or it could be, no, I think it's the tortoise because I see a little bit of those black fleckers in there. So pretty though. Next is the 8 millimeter check glass cherry flower burnt orange. I guess this is burnt orange. That's what it looks like. Let me open this up so you can see these. Let me cut these. You can see some of these. Look how pretty those are. These make great spacer beads too. They have, you know, having those ridges like that, if you put them between a bigger bead, it adds a little bit of a textured look to them. Got those. Then next is a 4 millimeter check glass Druck topaz, 50 pieces. These are really pretty. Sometimes you just need sometimes a girl just needs a good Druck. Only in the beading community would you get that. Next is a 10 by 10 millimeter check glass sunset flower in antique gold, 18 pieces. Look how pretty that is. Absolutely love that. You could make a pretty bracelet with that. And me put a little bead in between and you get a bracelet out of this. And then next, let me open up these two. I've got little bags to put these in afterwards. Oh, these are pretty. So these are 6 by 6 millimeter check glass squarelets in Crystal Maria, 35 pieces. So you've got all different. Let me dump more of these in here. These are so pretty. Got all different colors in these. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's get on to the bags now. So here we start with 8 by 8 millimeter check glass flat star in bronze luster. You have 6 pieces. And the hole is up there at the top. It's like at the top of the star. Very pretty. The second are 2 12 by 40 millimeter pewter keys in antique brass. So that's the front. That's the, okay, so yeah, the front does have a little more of a design, and then that's the back. Very cute. You can make some there's a hoop at the top. You can make some cute little dangle earrings there. Number 3 are 8 millimeter round howlite beads in white, 10 pieces. Pretty veining in them too. Ooh, stay there. And number 4 are brass ear wires, antique copper plated. And you get 2 pairs. Can never have enough ear wires. We have those. Oh, these are, I think these are one of my favorites. 7 millimeter check fire polish, metallic harvest orange, 16 quantity. Look at these beads. Oh my gosh. I got them right up against the camera. Look at how pretty they are. These are absolutely beautiful. Okay. And I think this is my other favorite thing. Although I love all those fire polish beads. And look at these beauties. These are 8 by 10 millimeter Chinese crystal rondelle beads in champagne AB 12 quantity. Look how pretty those are. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the next one is 13 by 13 check glass meteorite etched crystal with gold, 2 pieces. So these are cool. These would look really cool for earrings. Or as a focal piece on a bracelet or something. Very pretty. Next is a 10 by 17 millimeter brass leaf, 2 pieces. There's a little bit of a curve there. There's a hole at the top. They're very pretty. 2 pieces there. Let me see. Next is 10 millimeter check glass tabular squares, opaque red travertine, 6 pieces. And there's a hole right there. These are so pretty. I love all the textured color on there and everything. And then the 6 millimeter check glass hexagon carnelian opal. And there's 10 pieces here. These are beautiful carnelians. Absolutely gorgeous. And then a bonus piece. This is a bonus item. I'm going to put it in here. Wow. Check glass metallic mix dark copper red, 20 grams. So here you have all these different, I have some of these little, these little 2-hole ones right there. Some little daggers, little wavy ones, little triangles. These little ones right here, the hole running through the length of it. Oh, and then these little ones that are kind of like these, kind of like the same shape. So we have all of those. So these are really pretty. As always, I'm very impressed with this box. Absolutely love this box. It's one of my favorite ones. Always such great quality beads and everything. So if you're interested, I will leave the link below for you to order some this monthly box if you want. I also will leave the link below to my Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook page. So if you'd like to go and follow me on there, you'll get to see my stuff there as I create things and post them to my Etsy store and everything. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you on my next one. Have a great day.